Agriculture. Agriculture is the science and art of cultivating plants and livestock. Agriculture was the key development in the rise of sedentary human civilization, whereby farming of domesticated species created food surplus that enabled people to live in cities. The history of agriculture began thousands of years ago. There are certain steps for agricultural practices of crop production. They are: first, preparation of soil; second, sowing; third, adding manure and fertilizers; fourth, irrigation; fifth, protecting from weeds; sixth, harvesting; seventh, storage. Preparation of soil. Preparation of soil is the first step before growing of crop. It helps to turn the soil and loosen it to allow the roots to penetrate deep into it. The loosening of soil helps in the growth of several soil microbes, earthworms, etc., which enrich the soil with humus and other essential nutrients. Leveling. Leveling is done to make the surface of soil uniform after the process of plowing. It is done with the help of a wooden or iron leveler. Sowing. Sowing is an essential part of agriculture. After the preparation of soil, the seeds are scattered in the field. This process is known as sowing. Sowing should be done carefully and evenly. If the seeds are not sown uniformly, overcrowding of crops may happen. For sufficient light, water and other requirements, congestion need to be prevented. There are two different methods of sowing the seeds. Traditionally, sowing is done manually by hands, and in some places seed drilling machines are used. Manuring. Crops need nutrients to grow and produce yield. Thus, the supply of nutrients at regular intervals is necessary. Manuring is the step when nutritional supplements are provided, and these supplements may be natural, called manures, or chemical compounds called fertilizers. Manure is the decomposition product of plant and animal waste. Fertilizers are chemical compounds consisting of plant nutrients and are produced commercially. Apart from providing nutrients to crop, manure replenishes soil fertility as well. Other methods for soil replenishment are vermicompost, crop rotation, planting of leguminous plants, etc. Irrigation. Irrigation is the supply of water to crops. Sources of water can be wells, ponds, lakes, canals, dams, etc. Over-irrigation may lead to waterlogging and damage to the crops. Thus, frequency and interval between successive irrigation need to be controlled. Weeding. Weeds are unwanted plants which grow among crops. They are removed by using weedicides or by pulling them manually with hands, and some are removed during soil preparation. Weeds must be removed because they compete with the crops for the sunlight, water and other nutrients that they get from soil, which can make the crops malnourished. Therefore, weeding is also an essential part of agriculture. Harvesting. Once the crop is matured, it is cut and gathered. This process is called harvesting. Followed by harvesting, grains are separated from the chaff either by threshing or manually in small scale called winnowing. Storage. After harvesting, grains yielded are stored in granaries or bins at godowns for later use or marketing. Therefore, methods of crop protection need to be better. In order to protect grains from pests and rodents, cleaning, drying, fumigation, etc. are done for storing the grains.